Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer Premiere Pro project from one computer to another computer. So for example, I have this project here that I've been working on, and let's say for some reason you need to transfer your project to another computer. All you need to do is to come over to File over here and scroll down to Project Manager. The first thing you need to do is to save a location. So come over to this browse button over here and select it. And select the external drive you want to transfer your project to. So I'm going to select this USB over here. Make sure that the USB has enough space to carry the data. Now I'm going to hit select folder. It's important that you check only the project you want to work with. As you can see, there are different projects that I'm working on Premiere Pro, but only this one is checked. Next thing I'm going to do is come over here and hit OK. And Premiere Pro is going to ask me to save this project to continue. Hit save. And automatically Premiere Pro is going to locate these media files from wherever folders they are that is attached to this project. Now, when you transfer your flash drive or your USB to a new PC, all you need to do is to select that Premiere Pro project folder and open it. And over here, you can see all the media files that were used, both the audio recording and the video files. You can see both the video previews, the cache, and the audio previews. And all you need to do is to double click on the Premiere Pro project. And as you can see, it has opened as another sequence for me because I'm using the same PC. So if I click here, you can see the initial project. And if I click here now, you can see the new project. And that's it guys on how to transfer a Premiere Pro project from one computer to another in Premiere Pro.